This is the WORKPRO 73-inch adjustable rake. You can make it into 4 different sizes, which I will show you. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, lightweight and easy to assemble. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pieces. All of the pieces are threaded and screwed together, so you can adjust it to different sizes. You have a handle section on here with a foam grip, which is pretty comfortable. You got a hole in the top if you want to hang it up when you're done. And since everything just threads together, you can use one or all of them to get 4 different lengths, from 36 inches to 49 inches to 60 inches, and finally 73 inches. I am 6'2" for reference, just so you know. When I have it at full length, I find it's good for stuff like reaching into raised beds. You can see how far I can get into here, or going over top of stuff like this, border edging, so I don't have to actually step inside of there unless I really need to. The head of the rake has 25 steel tines on it that are pretty close together, so it's going to be perfect for leaves or smaller or finer stuff like maybe mulch. In my case, I get a lot of garbage falling from the cedar tree as well as leaves from my neighbors into the ground cover behind me. This works pretty well for reaching in there and moving this stuff around. I just have to make sure to move my irrigation stuff out of the way. These things thread together pretty tight. It's made of steel and it feels like it's going to hold up pretty good. Also, steel doesn't bend like wood, which I like. They say it's rust resistant. I get a lot of moisture in my shed, so I guess we'll find out next year. There you go, easy to assemble, screw it together. It's easy to transport if you want to take it somewhere. Obviously, you can take it apart and put it back together when you get there. Easy to store away, you can hang it up or break it down into separate pieces and store it that way. This will be good for homeowners, gardeners, landscapers. Obviously great for leaves, pine needles, mulch, debris, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.